Hello everyone, Korbin here again at Cycle City of Rochester, Minnesota. Today I bring to you our 2007 Honda CBR600RR. This is going to be one of our used motorcycles, but it is in very mint condition with very minimal paint scratches and no leather tears. The CBR600RR is a 600cc liquid-cooled inline 4-cylinder engine. It is going to be fuel injected and coming along with a 6-speed transmission, as well as Honda's slip assist clutch system there. They come with a 4.8 gallon gas tank, an adjustable brake lever there. And this used motorcycle does come with some very nice aftermarket parts as well, such as your frame slider there, tinted front windscreen, tank pad there to keep off all the scratches. This used model only has 15,000 miles on it. Very low for being a 2007. As you can see as well, like I said, is in very mint condition. You get disc brakes front and rear. They are chain driven, so with those brakes and it being chain driven and a clutch driven by cable, you get very low maintenance on this motorcycle, so you spend more time on the highway having fun and not in the garage worrying about trying to fix stuff. Comes with a nice full exhaust system here from SBK, LeoVince exhaust systems. As well as the aftermarket blinkers. We do financing here at Cycle City of Rochester, Minnesota. If you get approved, you can take this home today with you for $157 a month. Or if you want to buy it outright, before some paperwork and some taxes, the retail price on this is $7,559. Again, that's $7,559. Give us a call here at 507-288-1084. Again, my name is Korbin. Give us a call and we can get you sent on home with this today. Have a wonderful day, folks.